What's up, guys? They want you another video. Today was supposed to be an exciting day. You know, I was super excited to get outside and vlog. We're on day 6 of daily uploads. You know, it's supposed to be a good day. But as soon as I walked out of my house, bro, I dropped my camera. This freaking expensive $5,000 camera. That was like my biggest fear. And of course, your boy Nick did not put warranty on this lens. And now that I dropped it, it's like super rough to zoom in. I don't know if you guys see that, look. I had to force it to zoom in. Damn it, bro, I really broke the lens. I hope it works. I hope it stays in focus. Like if I do this, I hope it focuses, but very, very, very expensive mistake right now, dude. I'm so dumb. Anyways, today we are fixing the exhaust on the G80 finally. As you guys know, we installed a new exhaust. This is a while back. We installed it. Oh my God, do it one more time.
That is ridiculous. That's ridiculous.
I had the Valtronic V2 exhaust for the G80, and then we swapped to the V3, so like their new system. I think it's like a 3-inch now instead of 2.5. Anyways, long story short, when we installed the exhaust, I think we might have installed it backwards. I think that's the issue because it is rubbing on the base plate, the metal base plate in the bottom. It's literally sitting on that. So the whole time when this car is running, you can hear it like vibrating the whole car. And I've had it like this for months now, dude, but it's time to fix it. I cannot drive it no more like this. It's getting worse. Today, we're gonna head to a muffler shop and get this thing fixed. You guys will hear it right now, watch. Wait for it. Surprisingly, it's not making that much noise right now. Of course, every time I try showing you or a mechanic like the issue of my car, it magically goes away. Does that happen to anybody else? There you go. Now you guys can hear it. You just hear the metal just rubbing, vibrating. See what I mean? It's so annoying, bro. So yeah, we're gonna go fix the exhaust, and then later, hopefully we go pick up the R8. Because if you guys watched yesterday's video, we left the R8 at AR Motorworks. They're fixing the BBSs finally. If you guys remember, I bent one of the wheels at LA roads, bro. They're so bad. But yeah, I bent one of my wheels. Another expensive mistake. I also gotta pick up the Corvette tomorrow. I also gotta go to court tomorrow too. Yeah, guys, I gotta go to court for some stupid, actually YouTube video. Whenever I can talk about it, I'll talk about it, but yeah, it's annoying, bro. I gotta go to court tomorrow. We'll see what happens. We'll talk more about it tomorrow after the thing, if I don't go to jail. No, I'm just kidding. I'm low-key scared. I've never been to court. I'm gonna be honest, it's my first time. But yeah, after that, hopefully pick up the Corvette tomorrow as well and collect all my cars back. Because right now, all we have is the G80 and the F80. I also have to install some new things on the F80. I'm gonna see if Daniel can help me today. If not, tomorrow too. You guys hear how bad the exhaust sounds? Like, listen, watch. That's all you hear the whole time while I drive. It's so annoying. Dude, it's bad. I'm glad we're gonna get it fixed right now. We made it. I think all we're gonna do is just flip the mid pipe and hopefully it doesn't rub. Even the logo was backwards. That's how I know it was upside down. Hopefully that is just the issue right there. Super easy fix. See, now there's actually a gap. That's where it was rubbing. Yeah, the whole exhaust actually is like lifted now, so we're good. Shout out to these guys. That was super quick, quicker than I thought. It's LA Muffler here in Reseda. But they actually helped me install my F80 exhaust a long time ago. Just like I thought, the exhaust was on backwards. Well, just the mid pipe. Everything else was fine, but the mid pipe had to be completely flipped. Even the logo, like the Valtronic logo, was upside down. Luckily, he didn't have to pull off the whole exhaust. That's why it was so fast. They literally just unbolted the mid pipe, flipped it over, and it was done. Also, the rear section, like the muffler part, was hanging pretty low, which I always thought was weird too. Like I would look under the car, the muffler looked like it was gonna rub on the floor, bro. So he pushed up the muffler and pushed up the mid pipe too. So long story short, everything's perfect. That noise was so annoying, bro. I've had that noise since like before Beamer invasion in Miami. I drove the car all over Florida with that rattling noise. It was so annoying. Months went by and I finally fixed it. Bro, this car is so much fun. I don't know if I mentioned it on the vlog yet, but Stage 4 Tuning has a new like file for this car. to make it even faster than before. So I'm excited. It's already pretty fast like this. And this is just downpipe tune intakes. That's it. There's no port injection. There's not even full 85, it's E40. But supposedly the new file that we're gonna flash on the car will be able to keep up or beat some port injection cars. So we'll see. I'm gonna try it out. We might try to flash it tomorrow. I was trying to do it today, but they don't have time. But tomorrow we might reflash it and see how much faster it gets. And after that, maybe we'll do port injection, maybe upgraded turbos, maybe big single turbo. I do want to see if this new tune will make it faster. Uh-oh. A tunnel? You know we gotta do it. Did you know this car had launch control? I did not know it has launch control being a manual. Bro, it literally says launch control. Look at watch. So if I hold the clutch, slam on the gas. It's not doing it. I don't know why. I didn't think that was possible with a manual transmission, but I guess it is. This car also has anti-lag. I don't know if I showed you guys yet. The anti-lag is cool. It reminds me of my GTR. You get into the gear you need to get to, the gear you're gonna race in, and then you're gonna hold this down, this minus sign, you hold it down and slam on the gas. It's actually sick. If you get it in like the right gear, at the right speed, bro, it launches. It's a crazy anti-lag. It builds up all the boost. Let me see if I do a second gear one. All right, ready? Doing this in one hand is crazy. Yeah, I can't do it and hold the camera. It's impossible, but you guys see how it just launches? Yeah, sick ass Lambo. What the? Oh boy, landing. He did a makeover on his GT3 RS. It looks crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I can't show you guys, but you guys will see. You'll probably see it at a meet this weekend, probably. All right, G80 is fixed, and it turns out we are gonna go pick up the R8. So let's go. Yeah, I feel like I'm doing a lot, bro. I just wanna go inside and relax. That's the thing about daily vlogs too, is like you don't have no time to chill. I can't chill, bro. I gotta vlog all day, make a bunch of content, and at night go edit. My car is back. I feel like we were just here. We were just here, huh?
Yeah, we were.
We came in the pink beast. I still can't believe we're in a pink car. Oh my God, please be careful.
What? I'm literally not. I'm in between two spots. Look,
I thought you were
look
getting
how
close.
far away I am.
So the wheel's fixed? Hopefully no other wheels are bent.
What's going on here?
I'm tired, dude. Like I'm actually tired.
Why?
Vlogging. I'm
Oh.
editing.
I know.
I edit half the vlog to
At
like
night?
2 a.m. and then wake up at like 7 a.m. and finish it.
And he's been doing that like every night.
Yeah, I haven't woke up
But
at
don't you
7
think
a.m.
that's better than doing it all at once?
Yeah, well, since I'm falling asleep at night, I can't finish. I said we just go on a police chase in the R8. Let's just go get 5 wanted stars real quick. Make this vlog real entertaining. I remember it was like on top of the BBS, so it was this corner right here. But yeah, it doesn't look bent no more. I'm over here trying to look like this, bro. Yeah, I don't think it's bent. I think it's fixed. It was just that one. The back tires are pretty thick, like way thicker than the fronts. I feel like it'd be pretty hard to bend the back tires, but the fronts, these tires are very thin right here. I think that's why it bent so easy. But yeah, look at the pink beast. It's funny, we actually had to change out her tire the other day. Actually, yeah, the other day, we got a new tire on the front. That's why it looks all ashy. But because I think she curbed the wheels, even though she doesn't want to admit it, but I think Josephine curbed the wheels, guys. Oh yes, BMW individual. How way is an individual? Because there was a huge bubble from curbing it. Anyways, let's get my keys. Let's take the R8 home. Damn, this car is so sick. I can't wait to drive it right now. You guys don't understand the feeling of just having a supercar. I remember I used to manifest it, bro. Like manifest shifting gears in like a V10, downshifting. And I used to always be like, damn, I don't want to rent a Huracan no more. Because I rented a Huracan twice. And I was like, I don't want to rent a supercar no more. Like I want my own, bro. I want to be able to go in the driveway and just get in my car. Whenever I want, anywhere I want. Put as many miles as I want. Because when you rent a Huracan, they only give you like 100 miles. The fact that I could jump in my R8 and drive across the world if I want to is the best feeling ever, bro. That's why I work so hard, because I wanted a supercar so bad. So like always, AR Motorworks always has the sickest cars in their parking lot. As you guys could see, the R33 from yesterday, they got the big body on the LMs, and even the Porsche with some center locks. I know these are expensive. But in here, there's a freaking Corvette C6 with, of course, BBSs, bro. Dude, this is what I need to do. Some 88s on the Z06. This must be a newer one because they have different seats than mine. Those look way better, bro. What do you guys think? Get rid of the T's and put some BBS's? I wonder how much. I should ask him right now. Dude, those wheels actually look so good on the Vet. I didn't think BBS would look that good. Oh my God, bro. Guys, this is not your regular G80, bro. You guys see this? G80 CS. That's the big baller spec, bro, with BBS's. Damn, bro, these things are shiny. Brighter than my future. Look at them in the sun, bro. Oh my God. Dude, this is fire. On a CS too. That's so baller. Probably the only CS with these baller wheels, huh? See, I can't come here, bro. They're gonna make me want to spend more money, dude. Build some more BBS's for all my cars. Guys, actually, this is how my car would look if we do a satin black. Remember, I've been talking about it a lot lately. It's taking off my G80 wrap and going satin black. This is exactly how it would look. But what do you guys think? Should I satin black the G80? I think I should, bro. I've been wanting to do it for a very long time. These wheels are just baller, dude. On a CS, I can't believe that. Yeah, look at these seats. The only G80s that come with them are the CS. I like it with the red and black. And then this all carbon right here. Damn, all over me. It's like we just pulled up. The new M5 already on BBS's. No way, bro. I'm telling you guys, everyone here has BBS's. Everybody. What do you guys think about these cars? Look how much bigger it is than like a M4. It's huge. It's like a tank. You can't go wrong with these wheels. I know it looks a little overplayed here, but that's just because they build them here at AR Motorworks. Everybody has the same wheels here. All right. Back in the R8. I'm not gonna lie, guys. They told me that it was leaking oil. That kind of scared me. Let's see if it's out. What's up with this car, bro? Bent wheel, no air conditioning, leaking oil now? Possibly. I'm gonna move the car forward to see if we can see oil. It is, it's really oil? Oh, that's not good, brother. That's scary, bro. Be careful. I'm scared, dude. Yeah. It was a drop, but they said that it was parked outside earlier today, and it was like a little tiny puddle. Still, I'm concerned, bro. I'm scared. What do we do, chat? Is my car cooked? Is it already cooked? Drop my camera. Now my car's leaking oil. Bro, everything's all bad today. The oil says it's okay. It's not bad, you know? It's not on the minimum. It's not on the max. If it's not one thing, it's another, huh? Tomorrow when we pick up the Corvette, I still gotta buy an alternator for that car and get that swapped out. Bro, it's literally one thing after the other. What's going on, bro? I hate car problems. You guys do not understand. We made it back home safely. And guys, look, I go to my parking spot. There is oil, bro. There's no way, dude. All right, the back end's right here, so yeah, it is the engine. How is this happening? I think this is from my car. That's not good. I don't know. That's a big puddle, but who knows? I don't think I'm gonna drive it anymore. I think I'm gonna tow it to the shop. I think that's the smartest move right now. Tow it to like Sam's shop, have him look under it, do an oil change, a fresh oil change, check under for leaks, all that good stuff, because that's not good, bro. But you guys know what I mean. It's better be safe than sorry. I might as well just tow it to the shop instead of driving it. I said this when the Corvette alternator went out. I just hate when cars break, guys. Like it's stressful, you know? The puddle was like right here, huh? So right under the engine. Damn, dude. My baby, bro. Literally my favorite car too. All right, somehow, some way, AAA is already here. And if you guys know AAA, bro, sometimes tow trucks could take like 2 hours. But somehow, it showed up in 10 minutes. Hopefully, they could put the car on the tow truck too. That's what I'm worried about. That's gonna be too low.
My name is AAA. You request service for a tow truck?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I think I see. I'm about to pull out right now, look. I'm right here.
Today's a beauty, man.
Thank you, bro. This is always so scary, guys. We're trying to get on the tow truck right now. And he has some wood, so hopefully it works. He knows his stuff though. He was like, are those LMs? Oh. More? So scary.
Quattro, right?
Yeah. My boy likes it. Sounds sick, huh?
I want to put LMs on my Z06 so bad.
You have a Z06? What year is it?
09.
09?
But I got like 1,200 horsepower in it.
Oh, bro, I just bought a C6 2006.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Honestly, best bang for the buck.
I know, I love the
They
car,
only weigh
bro.
like 3,000 pounds.
I know, they're sick. I gotta show you real quick, watch. They're sick, right?
She's a beauty,
I know.
man.
Yeah, that's cool. But it's all stock right now. I gotta, cosmetic wise it's cool, but I need to build the motor and stuff.
Dude, if you want to build up the motor really good, let me know. Me and my brothers, that's all we do, like LS swaps
Really?
and LS engines.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, that's way better. Good, so it doesn't scratch the wheels, huh? See, I was worried about that. I thought they were gonna put straps like right here. He knows what he's doing, bro. He got all the wood, everything. You know what he said too? He has a 1,200 horsepower C6. What are the odds, bro? I like this guy. Remember there was this one time where I waited for a tow truck for like 2 hours. The guy got there, he said my car was too low to tow it, and he denied it. So just like that, the R8 is gone on the tow truck. Damn, that sucks, dude. Even on the tow truck, it looks good. He's funny, he was like, bro, it makes my tow truck look good. I don't want to film him and put like the camera in his face while he was doing his job. But he was super cool, guys. Like, he was very careful with the car. He was complimenting it the whole time. He's like, bro, these wheels are awesome. He told me, he's like, I've been towing cars for a long time. This has to be like top 3 of my favorite cars I've towed. Now it's on the way to Sam's shop. Hopefully Sam can figure out the oil leak, do an oil change for me, because the oil change is long overdue, of course. And maybe Sam can even figure out the air conditioning, hopefully. But yeah, not really how I planned today to go, to be honest. I was not planning on towing my R8 to a shop today. Now we're back down to 2 cars. We got the F80 and we got the G80. That's it. All reliable right here. Damn, it actually looks clean after that car wash yesterday. Sheesh. Oh, I got some good news for this car. You guys want to know? I don't know if I should tell you guys now or later, but I'm bad at keeping secrets, bro. I think this car might be in SEMA this year, so that's the little secret right there. I'll give you guys more info later when we get to there, but yeah, I just got some good news about that. Now I just hope I get some good news about the R8. Wish me luck, guys. Everyone pray for the R8. Leaking oil is not good.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.